Any problem, students? Okay, that please remove the virtual background. Every one of you are watching that virtual background. Actually, in my setting, that is grid view. It is set as grid view. All of you are facing same problem. X dash and y dash, yes, x dash and y dash, because all these things are in the first quadrant, and first quadrant required to x and y. Okay, only the first quadrant. In your syllabus, what we are going to draw, that is in the first quadrant only. But it is better or not? Okay. Next things. Along y-axis, I will put deposit. I will put deposit and simple interest, that is SI, that is on x-axis. Got it? Second step, along x-axis, simple interest, and along y-axis, that is deposit. And just I am framing them, what I've given, I am framing them in a point like a x coordinate and y coordinate. That will be 60, comma 4000, 60, comma 4000, 160, comma 2000, 160, comma 2000, 240, comma 3000, 320, comma 320, sorry, I think the data are not matched. Sir, in our book they are not matching the data. Okay, send me. Sir, in our book they didn't mention x and y axis. Okay, they mention horizontal. Yes, I am taking that x axis and y axis. So that horizontal line along that along this horizontal, that deposit is simple interest, and along vertical line, that is along x axis deposit and y axis so it is mistake the student, along y axis deposit. Okay. Quickly on answer or no? What is your doubt? Type it quickly. Deposit on x-axis. And okay, I am taking better that 1000, 2000. Okay, let me, actually that point is not matching. I think points are not matching with your book. Okay, tell anyone can say what are the given, what is the table given? Send it in our chat box. the table what I've given in your book, 1080. Okay, first point is 1000, 80. Second point, quickly, 2160. Okay, 2160. I have written on the blackboard, that is 2160. Next point, 3240. 3240. Next point, 4320. 4320. Okay, and another 5400. 5400. Okay, 5400. Now students, I am denoting the deposit in x and y axis, along y axis and along, and a simple interest along x axis. Simple interest along x axis and deposit y axis. Now what to do? First of all, in this graph, it is very much difficult how to mark 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. So we need to choose the scale. Okay, so I am taking here 1 unit equal to rupees 1000. 1 unit equal to rupees 1000. What does it mean? It means from that point along y axis, that is 1 unit, so it means it is 1000. 2, 2000, 3, 3000, 4, 4000, 5, 5000. So each unit along y axis denotes rupees 1000. Clear? It is clear, all of you? I am taking 5 units equal to, you can choose the scale according to you. Okay, I am taking here 1 unit equal to 1000. I can take 2 unit equal to 1000, 3 unit equal to 1000. It is totally depends on you. Okay, it is totally depends on you what scale will you choose. Okay, I am taking here 1 unit equal to 1000. Got it, everyone? Okay, now I am taking you can, okay, 1 unit equal to 1000, that is 1, 2. Now I'm changing it, 2 unit equal to 1000. 2 unit equal to 1000. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up to 5000. Okay, 1 to 2 unit. It means that is between these two line, between these 2 points, 2 sides of square have. So that is 1 unit. 1 unit means that is what 2 unit equal to rupees 1000. So I am asking to anyone, actually to you, that how much money will it denote? That 3. How much money will it denote? Quickly answer. Anyone? 3000. Very good. Okay, so that is 3000. 5 means 5000. So 2 unit equal to 1000. I hope it is clear to you. Next students, 81, that is 80. I have to that. Look at the board. 80, 160, 240, 320, 400. All of them have a same difference between these two. See, 80, 80, 80, and 80. Okay. 5 units equal to 80. Again, here also I am taking that unit, that is 80. 160, 240, 320, and 400. Okay, I am denoting this along x-axis. The simple interest like that, 80, 160. Each of them, between each of them, that 80 and 60, 160, 240. As the difference is same, so distance are equal. Okay, here 2 sides of 2 square, 2 sides of 2 square, 2 sides of 2. Okay, along this distance I have denoting them. Okay, yes or no, you can take. I have already told you and all of you that you can choose the scale according to you, but that should be unit. Here I am taking 2 sides of square 80 and one side, after taking one side of square, that is 160, it is not possible. Okay, then it will not be accurate. Okay, now next point, that means yes, you can take 1 unit 40, 1 unit 40. 1 unit means in the along x axis 1 unit means rupees 40. Okay, yes, Oyanangsu, you are right. Next, just plot the point 80 and 1000. So first I am here origin, that is x axis 80 and 1000, so that point. Okay, next 160, that point 2000. 240, that point. 320, that point. 400, that point. Oh, okay, I think it is a mistake. That point will be there. Okay, got it, everyone? How I have plotted this point, that is clear to you? That is clear to you, Anangsu or Noido, Jasmine, who are present in the call? That is clear to all of you? Obisek, Farhan, Isita, Jasmine, Kinton, Nishat, Rajat, Ranodeep, Topon, Upasana. If you have any problem, tell me. I will discuss it again. Okay, no problem, sir. Okay, very good. Now, next step is just join it by using a scale. Okay, I have joined this taking a scale. I have drawn only one coordinate. No problem, Jasmine. It is also okay. Okay, so that line. Now, first question. This graph is passing through origin. Observing the graph, we have to answer. So origin means that point. Yes, that graph, that line is passing through the origin. So first question I have solved. That line, what we have got by using that data. So that line passing through the origin. Okay, got it, everyone? Any doubt? Sir, is that necessary that my x-axis scale should be same as y-axis? Not necessary. You can take another way. Okay. Next question. Use the graph. Find the interest on rupees 2500 for year. Okay. First of all, tell me rupees 2550 position, rupees 25002 position. Okay, 1000, 2000. What will this denote? That point. What will denote that point? That point will denote what rupees? Tell me, everyone. That between 1000, 2000, and that point is. Yes. That point is rupees 2500. Okay. Now at 2.500, what will be the simple interest? To solve it, the process is draw a perpendicular from this 2500 to on the line. Okay, on the line. So I have drawn a perpendicular on the line from 2500. Okay, so I have denoting that 2500 on the line. And next step is from that point to get the simple interest, just draw a line on it. Perpendicular line, must remember perpendicular. That perpendicular line intersect that point. that perpendicular line from 2500 to on the line and on line to this point, so that point will denote what amount? Tell me in the chat box. What amount will it denote? $200. Yes. So simple interest will be 200. Question number 2. Question number 2, 200. Yes, Orangsu, you can do it. You can do it in another way. You can do it in another way. Okay, but it is mentioned that from the graph you have to say. That's why I have solved it. Next question. Next question. $3,500 should be deposited interest to get interest rupees 280. To get interest rupees 280. First of all, students, I will simple interest 280. I think what will be that point between 240 and 320? Tell me quickly. What will be that point? Simple interest 240 and 320. That is 280. Okay. From that point, draw a perpendicular on the line. Okay. From that point, draw a perpendicular on that line. Okay. And again, from where it intersect, from that point to a perpendicular to y-axis. Okay. So that line intersect the y-axis at that point between 3 and 4 and in the middle. So it must be what amount? 3,500. Okay, that is 3500. 3500. Okay, any doubt regarding the question number? C1C? Anyone? Any doubt? I hope it is clear. No sir. No sir means it is not clear yet. Please repeat once. Which part beta? Sir, will we circle the points? Yes, it will be better. Upon which portion? How to find out the get 3500 and 200? Okay, so I am again repeating it. And next question, student, question number 2, solve at your home. If you have any problem, then I will solve. Otherwise, I will move on next chapter. Okay, Okay, what chapter shall I start in next? Tell me quickly. Orangsu, Onnolahado, Jasmine, tell me which chapter shall I start in the next day? Will you reduce my CP? CP means mensuration. Okay, first of all, distance, direct and inverse. Oh, chapter. Okay, actually even we don't know that which chapter will be reduced. Okay, just I am leaving the first exercise. I have leaved the first exercise. If it is in syllabus, then I will solve it later. Otherwise, I will skip it. Okay, so which chapter? Kinton, mensuration and factorization, mensuration or factorization. Okay, I think one chapter have done. Sir, mensuration. Okay, so many students, three of them have written that mensuration and 2 of them have written direct and inverse indirect inverse. Okay, direct proportion and inverse proportion. Yes, direct and inverse. Okay, so direct and inverse. Okay. So I will still start direct and inverse proportion next day. Again, I am discussing that. First, I have drawn x-axis and y-axis. What I have given the data. that is deposit and simple interest. Along y-axis, I have denoted that deposit, and along x-axis the simple interest. Next step, I am taking 2 unit equal to 1000. I have taken 2 unit equal to 1000. So 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. And along x-axis, 2 unit I have taken 80. 1 unit equal to, it means 40. So 2 unit, 160, 240, 320. Then by the given data, 1080, 2160, 3240, 4320, 5400, I am denoting that. Then I have joined the line and extend towards the infinity. Extend towards that. That's why I have given an arrow. Next question is, when simple interest is 200, what will be the money? What is deposited money? So 200 is here. 200 is here. Okay. So draw a perpendicular on that line. From that point where it intersects, that perpendicular intersects the line. From that, draw a perpendicular y-axis. So at y-axis it intersects at that point. So that point denoted between 2000 and 3000, and the middle portion, obviously it will be 2500. And next for 280, from 280 to a line on y-axis, then on the line, from the line to y-axis, that will denote the 3500. Okay. So question number 2, will you solve as homework, students? Okay, today I will give it as homework. Today I will upload it as homework. Within few minutes, I will upload it as homework. Okay? Okay. Thank you, students. I hope you got that point and you have enjoyed this session a little bit. Thank you very much. Bye.